Hey there, hope everyone's having a great day. Any day we get to unbox a watch is a good day in my book. So today we're taking a look at the Oris, and as you can see by the title, it's the Oris Aquis. And I like these new boxes that Oris has come out with. It's almost the same as the old one, just slightly different. They look a little more elegant, and the reinterpretation of the old logo in the back is pretty cool. And here we go. Now, what I like about this watch is the blue face really matches the blue strap nicely. You can even see it here with the plastic on it. Really cool look for a watch. This watch is model number 0173377304135, and the strap number for this blue strap is 0742465EB. And here we can see the watch without the plastic on it. It's a very handsome watch. Again, the blue strap and the blue dial, really nice combination together. I love the watch's buckle. You can see it's got the micro adjustments. Here in the back we can see the watch's movement. It's the Oris 733, and it's got a 38-hour power reserve, and it's a 26 joule movement. The crystal in the back here is a mineral crystal. It is not a sapphire crystal. One of my favorite things about the Aquis is the profile for the watch. It doesn't sit up too high, which is really nice. When I put it on my wrist later on, you'll take a look and see. Now the bezel is a ceramic bezel, and the crystal for the watch is a sapphire crystal. Now this watch has a screw down crown. I'm going to use this moment to talk about screw down crowns a little bit. I see a lot of people who have dive watches and they forget to screw down the crown after they change the time. It's very important for you to do that, and please remember to screw down your crown. Thank you. Now overall, the Aquis is a great watch. I like the bolt feature. You know, it's better than the spring pins you find in most watches. It makes it a little more durable. But that being said, the way the watch band is built, you have to get yourself an Oris band to fit in there. There might be a few companies who make some that would fit it, but it's not as universal as you'd want your watch to be. Here we can see the watch on my wrist. My wrist is about a 7.5-inch wrist. Again, it's a great size. Some watches, older watches, feel a little small. Some brands keep with the smaller sizes, and some go a little too big, I think. I think this one's right in the middle. Again, this is the 43mm size. Alright, so let's take a look in the darkroom, check out the Loom on this baby. With dive watches, Loom is really important. Here, the watch lights up well. You just can't see it on the video as well. The video is not capturing it, but it's a good Loom on the watch. They use Super Luminova for it. Well, thanks for taking the time to check out this watch and to listen to my video and watch it. Thank you. Have a good one.